Kyako mu district eya Amuru. Olutayayo lwe lube lugenderire kumaraho okweyongerako butishirizingana aha butuuzo obw'abaraaro obuli omucanga eki. Pulezidenti agarukire yaragira abaraaro abari ahitaka lya gavumenti omu mwanya ogwa Lakang ahamwe na Aswa okurugamu aho n'aho.
The ones who are in government lands.
Me ariyo jomagetie ingompagamente.
Like the land of Lakang.
La bolle ngomati Lakang.
Which I bought for the project.
Ma anyway lo pilok me project me don lobo.
The Aswa Ranch.
Aswa Ranch ye.
All the government they must leave, must take.
Mo ke kan pagamente mageti alere diang joni eno miergo aro.
I give them 3 weeks to hire trucks and take them to wherever they take them.
Me get a better deck can go no lorry chop diang ni gudwak de kam go aye.
I would have confiscated the cows themselves.
No ko ene mago diang ni ko ki come. Diang ni ki come eno mier ko mago.
Let them take the cows and sell them and do whatever they want to do.
Ayonjire yagira ngo obuyabire yahireyo okuragira okuri kuzibira abaraaro okuzomure achori ngo akatandika kurira amaraka okuruga ombantu batari bamwe na bamwe ngo kandi bonka NRM bagumani bahurikiza buri omwe okwenda kumanya rubajurwe.
I say you cross the Nile and go on the other side. They listen to my advice.
Yeno winyo tama mege
and cross the Nile.
Kungola namla kacha
and went to a place called Boyare. And the majority of the people there are Acholi people. So, don't talk care. Now, so what do I do now? If they say other non-Acholi cannot come to Acholi, then what do I do with my Boyare people? Do I say you go back or what? So you need to be careful. And of course, many Acholi people own land in Kampala. We own. So therefore, we need to handle the issue. These people are playing around. They should stop.
Presidenti ayonjire yagira ngo butikirizingana hagati y'abaraaro hamwe n'abantu abari mu matemba geihanga nikirugirira ahakushisha emisiri hamwe na noha uri mukama witaka.
About 5 points.
The
first one is the destruction of crops. This is a very serious offense. Therefore, to have people destroying people's crops is totally not acceptable. And therefore, I just want to cross-check briefly, but it's clear that if you have got cattle which are in an area which is not fenced, then obviously they are liable to cause damage to people's crops.
President agarukire yagira ngo naija kugiraho urukiko rwa muheru na nabemba jibiri bamwe abari kugira ngo bashemerire kurugayo aho naho ngurera abandi bashemerire kurugamu mpora mpora.
I'm going to have a final meeting with the two opinions, the ones who were for the immediate eviction of the abaraaro and the ones who were going to say go slowly, as the minister was saying. I will have another meeting in Entebbe and we conclude. But in the meantime, we cannot wait for, as far as these ones are concerned, who have got cows in a non-fenced area, they must go immediately.
President ashabira abantu ba Acholi okwegendesereza abantu bakwata ahanshonga y'abaraaro ari kugira ngo nekintu ekiri kubasa kuretaho ebizibu by'amani.
Like Gilbert Olanya has been saying, Abaraaro cannot come to Acholi because Acholi is Acholi land. Abaraaro cannot have land there. Then you put me in problems. During the war, I found my people suffering in Anaka. I said, what are you doing here? They said, we have nowhere to go. I said, but Uganda is big. If there is war here, you go to other parts of Uganda.
Presidenti agarukire yatunga kakumu abanyishengero hamwe na nabandi bebembezi ahabo kuremwa kutwara omisho enjiri eyo kugira ngo abantu babase kuzombi obuhinji ebyo kuyamaka sente ari kugira ngo eco kuri cyakozwe ebizibu nkebyo na kuri bitaruho. Chairman w'entebe ya katano ahawa district ya Amuru Michael Lakoni agizire ngo eshonge giti kintu cyo kuzana nahabwe eco eshemerire kukoraho aho naho.
What about if we give you 10 more years? Do you think the local people will have any land here? Because they are poor, they don't have the money. I am not saying they have grabbed the land, but they are manipulating the poor people. They have not grabbed the land, but they are manipulating the poor people. I want to give you one story that we got on Wednesday in the presence of myself and members of parliament.
Omukoro gugushireho minister oweshonga eza constitutional affairs no Batimao minister wihanguri kujonanizwa amatemba ga Uganda Grace Freedom ahamwe n'abandi banyishenjero otireho nabebembeza abandi kurugo mu mwanyogo.
Iyo police omurikasese batandika okuchondoza ekirigirireho kufa